Hello everyone, welcome back to IHM Flix and to our MS Word learning series. In the previous video, we learned what MS Word is and understood its screen's layout. Today's topic is ribbon and tabs in MS Word. This is a very important topic because almost all the work in MS Word is done using the ribbon only. So if you understand the ribbon properly, MS Word will become very easy for you. So before wasting any more time, let's get started. To begin with, we'll see what a ribbon looks like actually. Now look at the top part of your MS Word screen, this area. This entire section with tabs and button is called the ribbon. The ribbon is like a toolbox. It contains all the commands that we use to type, format, insert, and design a document. The ribbon is divided into three parts, namely the tabs like home, insert, draw, groups like clipboard, font, etc. for a reference only, and the third one is command, that is each command that is in it. So let's understand each one step by step. On the ribbon, you can see different tabs such as Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Layout, etc. Each tab is designed for a specific task and specific type of work. When you click on a tab, the tools related to that work will appear. For example, in Home tab, you'll be able to see the basic documentation. In Insert, there are different tasks and different options that we can choose. There are other tabs as well like References, Mailing, Review, View, etc. But for now, we'll focus on home, insert, and layout because beginners use these the most. So let us start with the home tab. The home tab is used for basic typing and formatting. In the home tab, you will see different groups. For example, clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing, and add-ins. To begin with, we'll first go through clipboard. It has the options for cut, paste, copy, and format painting as well. These options help us move or duplicate text. To give you a brief, I'll show you by doing it. For example, I have written a word, hello. If I have to copy and paste it, I'll select this word, go to this option. We can either copy it by pressing on this option or we can enter the shortcut key that is Control plus C. But for now, we'll click on the option Control. Then I'll go on the next line and we'll use paste. This is how we can actually copy paste anything, be it a number, digit, character, word, or sentence, or even a paragraph. This really helps us when we have when we have multiple tasks or duplication of tasks. And if you want to explore, you can see that there is a drop down arrow below paste option. There are different pasting options like these: keep sourcing formatting, merge formatting, picture you, etc. Now we'll check out the font group, that is this area, this block. This group is used to change the appearance of a text. Here we can change font style through this option. There's number of font style that we can use and use it on our text or on our document depending upon our need. Then we can increase or decrease the font size. To give you a hint of it or to explain you better, I'll do it simultaneously along with the explanation. For example, this one is a Calibri body. If I want to change, I can use Algerian. And now we are able to see that the font of the word hello is changed. If I want to increase the size of the word, I can choose 24. Or if I want to shorten it or squeeze it down, I can use any smaller digit or any smaller digit size. Apart from this, we can even bold the word or the sentence. We can put it in italic form and also underline the text. For example, I'll select the word here. This option is for bold. This boldens the letter or the word that we have selected. Here we can see that it is bold now, and if we deselect it, it becomes normal. Then the other option is italics. It italicizes your word. All of these options have their separate shortcut keys, and you can get to know what are the shortcut keys by hovering over it. For example, for bold, it's Control B. For italics, it's Control I, like this. I can underline the word by using this option. And if I want to remove the underline, I'll simply click it again. Now we'll move forward with the next group, that is the paragraph group. This group is used to align and organize text. From here, we can align text left, center, right, or justify it, or number of text. We can also add bullets or numberings to any number of points. We can increase or decrease the spacing using line spacing. Here are the different options through which we can adjust the line spacing between every line of the paragraph. We can even change the color of the paragraph through this option. For example, if we choose black, we can see here it's turned into black. Red option will turn it like this, etc. There are other options like this, decreasing indent, like the space before we start a paragraph, and increase and decrease option here. With this, we can decrease the indent, and with this, we can increase it. Then the third next is sorting. Through sorting, we can sort the document in alphabetical way. Then this one is for bordering. We can add borders to any line, or we can remove it. It has other options as well. We can explore it later. This one is to show or hide the paragraph markings. We can use it in PhD while making any document. To show you a glimpse, I'll now write few lines here and show you how we use the paragraph group. Hello, my name is IHM. I am giving a 60-day training. Here we have two lines over here. I'll select the both. With this, I can put it in bullet points like this. There are other several options as well, which changes the design of the bullets. You can explore it yourself as a part of the assignment. There are other bullet options as well. These are pointers, these are in digital, these are pointers, these are numerical form, like 1, 2, 3, etc. And this can be a different one depending upon your need. If you have any complex document with multiple points at subpoints, you can use this one. Now I'll adjust the document or align them. And now I will also show you how we can align the documents. Now I'll also show you how we can align the text here. Now I'll show you how we can align the text over here. I'll select this one. This one is already left aligned. I'll choose the one which aligns it in the center. Here you can see that on the middle of the page, it aligns the text exactly in the middle of the page. Then by this, it aligns the document, or sorry, it aligns the text on the right hand side. The last option is justify one, which is often used when you have a large number of text in a document and we want to divide them with equal spaces. Now the next we have is the style group. Now we'll see the style section or the styles group. You can see different options like no, like normal, no spacing, heading. You can see that every time every time you can see that every time I'm hovering over a new option, the text is changing. So these are all, and each of this type depends on is used for a specific purpose only. Style helps us give a professional look to our document. The last one is editing and add-ins that I've added, which is used to find any text in a document, replace it with something new, or select any particular option or particular text in an object, particular text or object in a document. Now we'll move forward with the next tab, that is the insert tab. The insert tab is used when we want to add something extra to a document. Using insert tab, we can add tables, pictures, shapes, headers, and footers. Here you can see tables, pictures, shape, icons, etc. It has other options like linking, that means adding a link from Google or any online place to a document. Bookmarking, cross-reference, header, footer. Header means the upper area of the document, and footer means the one we have down here. So whenever you want to insert anything other than the text, remember the insert tab. Now we'll move forward with the next tab, that is the layout tab, which is often used by beginners. The layout tab is used to control page settings. Here we can change margins, change page orientation, that is portrait or landscape. Then we can adjust the page size, create columns, and a lot more. This tab is very useful when working on assignments, projects, or official documents. I'll show you the different options like margins. Margins, it has several options below it. Portrait or landscape we can have. Then there are different size options that we can use depending upon our need. And we can add columns depending upon the type that we want to do. Like the one column option is often used when you are doing any normal document or any project report. The two column option is often used when you're writing a book. And similarly, the rest are for different other purposes that we can learn and use when we want to. If you're interested in understanding what are these other options used for, please let us know down in the below comments and we'll understand that you are interested in it and we'll surely make a video forward keeping in mind your suggestions. So today we learned what the ribbon is, what tabs are, and how home, insert, and layout tabs are used. Now to end this video with a practice task for you will be that you have to open your MS Word, click on each tab slowly. Try to identify the groups inside the home tab and other tabs that you are seeing on the screen. In the next video, we will learn about file operation, that is new, open, save, and save as, etc. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class.